Hi, we are a team from Red Cross Youth Cebu chapter. Before the pandemic, we used to be everywhere, helping the community from first aid and emergency response to mass blood drives and also disaster preparedness. But when COVID-19 came, it definitely set us back a lot. Fortunately, vaccines have started arriving, which is putting an end of the pandemic closer to sight. However, vaccine hesitancy has grown in the Philippines, where majority are wary of vaccines, which is stretching the road to the end of the pandemic and to being able to experience exciting and youthful humanitarian work again. We are eager to make a difference now more than ever, not just for ourselves and our fellow volunteers, but also for a healthy community free from the dangers of COVID-19.
Cebu City and the Philippines in general is facing a big hurdle towards herd immunity. Vaccine supply poses a serious concern as many cities have suspended inoculating citizens at various times. Beyond this, a considerable portion of the population refuse to be vaccinated, making vaccine hesitancy the second greatest obstacle to getting out of the pandemic. Vaccine hesitancy is brought about by various reasons: lack of understanding in science and medicine, disinformation, myths, and stigma. While various webinars and online informational posters exist to combat distrust in COVID-19 vaccines, the digital divide is making it harder to bridge the gap between the professional world and the public that is less connected to the online world.
Bakuna Mutata, a wordplay of a famous phrase in our childhood whose abbreviation means vaccines work in English, aims to address vaccine hesitancy by raising awareness and confidence towards COVID-19 vaccines while working around the digital divide. The challenge is to provide accurate and engaging information to as many people as we can while keeping the volunteers safe. Banking on the new boom on the modern transportation in Metro Cebu, we aim to disseminate youthful, concise, and engaging video IEC materials on TV screens of modern jeepneys and audio IECs through speakers on tricycle motor taxis further into the outskirts. Through cost-effective utilization of digital technology, we'll be able to eradicate distrust on COVID-19 vaccines and bring the end of the pandemic closer.